How to make Microsoft Teams stay green. Now, staying green basically means that you want there to be a green dot indicator which shows that you're active. And even when you're not using the app, or maybe you doze off for some reason during the class, you want it to show that you're online and on the class. Now, for this, one thing that you just have to make sure is to not minimize the Teams app. If you minimize it or close it and use other apps in the process, then it would mean that your green dot is actually gone, and it will just let the class teacher know that you're not present on the class. The other way to avoid this is, let's say that you are using the class, but then you want to fall asleep, but then your laptop just closes itself, goes into sleep mode. You have to prevent your computer from going into sleep mode by simply going to power options right here, clicking the battery icon there. And from there, you can should go to screen sleep and hibernate timeouts. You can select when you're plugged in, when you can turn off your screen, set this to never or however long you want. Make your device sleep, set this also to never. On battery also, set a turn off screen to never and make my device sleep never unless you do this manually. That way Teams will always open in the background even when you're not using your laptop computer. Now, if you're using on mobile, you want to make sure to turn off and do not restrict the background usages and so on. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.